Luther Ragsdale, and I want to personally welcome you. If you're here today, chances are you're looking for more than just another real estate course. You're looking for a way to actually build a successful real estate investing business. And that's exactly why I created the Investor Acquisition Network. Over the last 30 years, I've worked with real estate agents, real estate brokers, real estate investors. I have been an educator, and I'm also a coach. I've watched thousands of people enter the business with big dreams. Unfortunately, I also watched a lot of them struggle, not because they didn't have ambition, not because they wasn't work hard, but because they didn't have the right system, they didn't have the right community, they didn't have the right backing to really be successful in this real estate investing business. You know, they would have a company over here doing their website, somebody else have the CRM, they had a coach over here, marketing over there, they would meet with their coach maybe once a month. They never really finished all of the courses that they started. The software was very difficult. They could never really figure that out. They spent a lot of time just figuring out the software. Instead of building a real business, they were trying to figure out technology or just read a bunch of courses. That's why I built the Real Estate Investor Acquisition Network. This is not just another membership. This is not just a software. This is not just coaching. It's not just another course. It's a complete business ecosystem designed specifically to help real estate investors build a real business. Whether you're a wholesaler, flipper, real estate agent, real estate broker, maybe you want to buy or hold, or maybe you just want to purchase your first investment property, we've created a place where everything works together. Imagine waking up every morning knowing your business is running on a system instead of running on stress. Your website is collecting leads. Your CRM, it's organizing all of your contacts. You have AI. You have an AI assistant answering calls, responding to text messages, following up the prospects, booking appointments. All this is happening while you're sleeping. Your market is running automatically. Every week you are meeting live with me. Also, you're meeting with other experienced investors. You're running deals, you're running numbers, you're asking questions. You are continually improving your business. That's what this network is really built to do. When you become a member, you're not just starting from scratch, you're starting with a proven system. You'll receive access to the Investor Business Operating System, your complete business platform. Instead of paying for separate software, you'll have one integrated system that includes your CRM, website, landing page, funnels, email marketing, text messaging. You will have AI. You will have calendars, full automation, lead generation, pipelines. All of these tools work together as one. These are the same type of system that many successful business spend thousands and thousands every month to make work. We've made this all available for you. Everything is in one place. Instead of trying to focus on a lot of different things, you can focus on closing deals, getting more deals, and making more money. But technology will never bring real success. People will bring the success. That's why every single week you will join our live coaching sessions with me and other experienced investors. We will discuss deals, the current market condition, acquisition strategies, financing options, negotiation techniques, and challenges that you might be facing right now. You will be able to ask questions and get answers and feedback each and every week. You will learn from other members and you will continue to grow your business on a weekly basis. One of the things that make this network very unique, we don't just teach real estate. We actually do real estate. Every single month, you will have the opportunity to attend our live real estate acquisition tour, where we'll evaluate actual investment properties together. You'll learn how experienced investors get the deal. We will show you from the start to the finish how to acquire real estate. You will also receive all of my proprietary tools, including the investment acquisition framework and my personal scorecard. This will give you a repeatable process to know how to run the numbers, how to evaluate investment properties with confidence. No more guessing, no more emotional decisions, just a proven system you can use again, and again. But I want to go even further. I just don't want to show you how to buy investment properties. I want to show you how to build a real business. That's why you will also receive my training on how to establish a LLC, how to obtain a EIN, how to build business credit, how to open business banking relationships, how to create structures to protect your asset once you own them. I want to position you as a real estate investing company so you can build real generational wealth. Because real wealth isn't created by doing an occasional deal. Real wealth is created by having a business system that you repeat year after year after year. You'll also become a part of our network of investors. This is a real community of investors where we share ideas, opportunities, resources, and partnerships. Real estate have always been a relationship business. Some of the best deals happen because you are connected to the right people. Inside the Investor Acquisition Network, you'll be surrounded by people who are working towards the same goals you are, building financial freedom through real estate. Now let me tell you what excites me most. It's watching someone who once doubted themselves, didn't have confidence, but now they can analyze the property, they can make an offer, they can close the transaction, and they realize they can truly build generational wealth through real estate. That's why I do this. Our mission isn't simply to just teach information. Our mission is to help people create lasting financial independence. Whether your goal is replacing your income, building passive financial cash flow, creating generational wealth, or leaving a legacy for your children's children, you need more than just motivation. You need systems, you need coaching, you need technology, you need a community, you need accountability. And that's exactly what we've built. The Investor Acquisition Network is designed to provide all of those things in one simple place. The best part, you experience all of this with a 30-day free trial. You'll have the opportunity to explore the platform, attend the coaching sessions, experience the community, and see firsthand how this system can really help you build your real estate business overall. If you decide this is right for you, after the 30 days, your membership continues at only $97 per month for the entire ecosystem. I believe this is one of the best values available for a real estate investor, because you're just not receiving education or just not receiving software, you are receiving an entire ecosystem to help you build your business. If you're ready to stop piecing together different platforms, if you're ready to stop trying to do everything on your own, if you're really ready to build a real estate investing business with the right systems, coaching, technology, and support behind you, then I invite you to join us today. Click the button below and start your free 30-day trial. I look forward to personally welcome you to the Investor Acquisition Network. I want to help you build your business and celebrate your success with you as you grow your real estate investing career. Click the link below and I look forward to seeing you inside.